Hello everyone, I'm going to show you my poster about how the deforestation affects to our resources, to our environment, the negative and positive impact. So, let me show you my poster. So, this is my poster. This side represents the negative effect of the climate change, the overpopulated, and the yes, this is my poster. This side shows the overpopulated used by the human resources, and it has a big negative effect with our resources. So this side is a green. It indicates that say yes to green. I used green to enhance the meaning of being saved by our being saved the earth, but to the human resources, how we generate. So overall, this is my poster. This poster shows the how the climate change our earth. So this side I use the green color, human figured green. Yes, that green. And also I use the sign say yes to the green. Say yes to green. And I use the trash bin, the plastic bottle, and also instead of the vehicle I use a bicycle. This side I draw the trees. So in this side represents the overuse of the people that affects the animals, and also the drought, the vehicles, too much use of vehicles, and the polluted water that causes the stinks to our environment, the over construct building, the what do you call this, the manufacture, the use of vehicle transportation, the gases. I use darker color for this one that represents the overpopulated or the causes of climate change. So overall, this is the effects of climate change. Yes, this part is overpopulated, and this part is the good effects of human environment. So, saving our environment requires a collective effort to support environmentally friendly practices. By transitioning to renewable energy resources, increasing the energy efficiency, and implementing sustainable land use practices, we can significantly reduce greenhouse gas emissions and mitigate the effects of climate change. That would be all. Thank you.